is raw meat. Look at that. That is one piece of meat. That's not several parts of the animal. It's one piece of meat there. Very, very thinly sliced. Incredible. So if you are watching this on YouTube, thank you very much. There's more to come. Hopefully you visit Puerto Rico or Gran Canaria soon, and also check out SunnyGC.com. Right, so now me and Bobby, Yorkshire Indian, we're at Oliver's Grill, Oliver's Italian Grill. We're going to go for something different. Today's specials over here, stroganoff, chicken with mushrooms and truffle, whoa. Risotto, seafood, fillet steak, ribeye, oh my god, ribeye, rocket truffle, honey, lemon, perfect. That is what I'm all over. You got lobster linguine there, and reasonably priced as well. Lobster $22.50, the fillet steak $29.50, the ribeye is $25.50. Already looking at that menu, I know I'm going for the ribeye. Perfect. Can I go for the? I'll go for the ribeye, rocket, truffle, honey, lemon, Dijon sauce, please. He has sold it to me. He brings over the menu first, and then he says, "Oh, these are today's specials." Oh, let me tell you what I've ordered as well. I've ordered a starter. Bobby's just told me there. Carpaccio basically means raw wagyu, thinly sliced. I've had something similar another place the other year at Tipsy Bee, which was raw wagyu. I'm going to try it again. This is raw meat, but wagyu is the top meat of beef meat. The Carpaccio de Wagyu is €11.50, and on the specials board the ribeye is $25.50. Listen, let's try it. Let's dig in. I do like Parmesan cheese. I love wagyu. This is raw, thinly sliced wagyu. Let's dig in. Really good olive oil around the plate too. Quality Parmesan. Look at that. That is one piece of meat. That's not several parts of the animal. It's one piece of meat there. Very, very thinly sliced. Incredible. Right, let's try the croquettes with some alioli. And the croquettes are super soft. Oh, they've got goat cheese inside them as well. Let's dig in. Well, so good.
Really good. Really homemade.
I don't think you can get more authentic than these. These are incredible. The fact it's got goat cheese inside, which is very subtle, but mixed in, which gives it a different texture as well. Unbelievable.
This is my specialty, ribeye Tuscany, and sliced meat ribeye after cooking, the rocket, parmesan, truffle oil, and Dijon lemon on a sauce. Okay?
Thank you very much. Gracias. Oh, grazie.
Grazie.
Beautiful sauces on there, purees on the side, roasted veg. That to me looks unbelievable. That is a medium rare steak. It's from the specials board here at Oliver's Grill, and I can't wait to dig into that. Look at that, €25. Now that already, compared to anywhere else we've been served a steak, is so different. So different. So I'm going to go with an end piece, and I'm going to show you how it's cooked, and this is meant to be medium rare. It's not meant to be, it is medium rare. It's absolutely cooked to perfection. Usually when I get a steak, I'm going to talk to Bobby at the same time, usually when I get a steak, I like a sauce on the side, like a blue cheese sauce, a peppercorn sauce, mushroom sauce. This, it's not needed because it comes with quite a sweet Dijon mustard around the edges of it. That's all that's needed. The steak is seasoned well. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at it. And I can't wait to polish that off. That is incredible, by the way. And that is Oliver's Grill in Puerto Rico, Gran Canaria. 10 out of 10, unbelievable. Bring your missus, bring your fella. If you want a nice meal in Gran Canaria, anywhere in Gran Canaria, travel to Puerto Rico just for Oliver's. That chicken, garlic and white wine. Incredible.
Wow.
Next time. Next time.
That's good.
I'm too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt. Views are unbelievable, aren't they, mate? Right, so we're going to go now from apartment number 3, which I haven't showed you yet. I'll just show you a quick glimpse outside, the pool area, where we are. We stayed right over there last time. So I will do a review on this apartment, which again, Bobby sorted this one out, so I'll have to tell you the prices, the details. What was it, the name of the company?
Vacacia.
Vacacia.
.gc, but it's vacacia.com. VACICA.com.
But all the details will be put on there. I'll get Bobby to tell me the ins and outs, the WhatsApp number, the website, everything will be on there. I'm not showing the apartment right now, which is absolutely fantastic, but I will show you the views as we walk down to Murphy's Irish Pub for the England game. Come on, England! Who are we playing? That's the shopping centre just down there. It takes less than 10 minutes to walk to from here. But the whole area, Puerto Rico, is built into the mountains. Honestly, it's something special. If you haven't been here yourself, definitely come and check it out. But I think I can do a couple of competitions here. I think I can do. So, we're going to walk down from the apartments where we are now. There's a set of stairs, set of steps here. And that'll bring us out at the commercial shopping centre, Puerto Rico shopping centre. Now these are the apartments we're staying in right now. And these are the views from the steps. I had one of the best meals I've ever had. Well, first in Gran Canaria, possibly in the Canary Islands. It was exceptional. Like, I would take Rochelle there as a special occasion. You know, Oliver's Grill, Oliver's Italian Grill, phenomenal last night. Like, the steak, the quality was just levels above. The work that went into it, I described the chef as like an artist. You know, the way they'd put the plate together, the way they'd put the flavours together was incredible. 100%, I'll be back at Oliver's Italian Grill in Puerto Rico, Gran Canaria. God, these steps, man. See that? Yorkshire Indian's fitter than me, so he just runs down them. What is he doing here? And right there, look, is the shopping centre. Right, let's keep walking down the steps and get to the shopping centre. And then tonight, for anyone who's watching, if you're in Gran Canaria, we're watching it at Murphy's Irish Pub. Look at that big beer there, €3. El Rancho.
I mean, all I'm concerned at the moment is...
This is the Chinese we went to last night up there. Wok Peking Asia Grill. And it's the same price across the road at the Wok Great Slow Boat. Both do the same, both really good Chinese, and I've enjoyed them both after a skinful. You got all these shops as well, clothes shops, back scratchers there. Anyone spot your own name on here? Denise, Diane, Donna, Emily, George, Jeff, Graham for me dad. Oh, Bobby stopped over there. So the sun's shining, the weather's good. Hello mate, alright?
Good. Okay.
Yeah, good, thank you mate. Oh, more clothes here, more souvenirs. And then next to it you've got a steakhouse where, I think it was 2 years ago, I think I've put the video on YouTube for Isla Bonita. I also put the video on up there for Wok. So basically you've got Wok 1 and Wok 2. Wok 1, that's like Gok 1, isn't it? So if you are watching this on YouTube, thank you very much. There's more to come. Hopefully you visit Puerto Rico, Gran Canaria soon, and also check out SunnyGC.com.